Why, hello there, guys. Today we're going to be reviewing this spray fan that came in the mail. It has 3 speeds, it has 2 misting modes, and it even has a cool nightlight feature. And as you saw there, I still have the box that it came in. So this is the side. Simulated natural wind, spray humidification, 3-level adjustment, noise reduction, lawn endurance, and USB charging. So first I'm going to demo it on the low setting for the fan. As you can hear, it's pretty quiet on low. And again, this fan is 100% portable, so you can take it anywhere. I think it lasts for about 10 hours on the low speed, I read. Now for medium. It has really good airflow for its size. So I think it lasts about 6 hours on this mode, which is medium, and now up to high. This is much airflow you can get out of it, and it lasts for 3.5 hours on this mode. And this fan does tilt up and down, so you can direct the airflow to where you want it to go. I wish it tilted left and right, but really a fan that tilts up and down is all I need. Now for the misting, this is on constant. It's not really a wet mist, it's more like a foggy mist, but it is cold. And I promise that it's not smoke coming out of it, because there is water droplets building up there. I don't know if you can see that. And now for intermittent. There's like 3 seconds off in between sprays, and about 5 seconds on. About 10 seconds and a 3-second gap. This is a 300 milliliter tank, so it should last for 4 or 5 hours. On intermittent at least. Now let's turn the mister off, and I'll show you this night light. So hold the mist button down, and it turns on the night light that changes colors. And I'll show you the spray and misting. Oh, excuse me, the fan and misting. So turn the fan on low first. This is with the misting on constant. So it really helps blow the air towards this camera here. Now for medium. So now this basically chooses how far you want the mist to travel. distilled water for the misting function, because any other water, especially hard water with lots of minerals, get clogged up. So it's best to use distilled water. And you can, I forgot to mention, you can put ice in this tank because it's pretty big. It's almost like a bowl. So you can put ice in it if you want the mist to be colder. Now let's turn this night light off. So the fan is completely off. And now turn it around. This is the back. This is a charging port to charge the fan with, and there's a charging indicator that turns red when it's charging, and the red light turns off when it's at 100% battery. So this is a tank right here, and it may look small from right here, but it's actually really bigger. But it's actually much bigger. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this spray fan. Alright, I'll miss you later.